Hey, Flutter enthusiasts, welcome back to Widget Wisdom. Today we are going to learn about expanded widget in Flutter. In Flutter, the expanded widget is the part of Flutter's layout system. And it is primarily used to distribute available space among its children widgets like rows and columns. Like you can see in this image, there are 3 containers in the column. In which are this middle, amber colors container have expanded property. So you can see, it have taken all the available space between these 2 blue colors container, which is having height of 100. So, expanded widget is typically employed within a parent widget that supports multiple children, such as a column or row, to specify how space should be allocated to each child. So let's start, and before starting, if you want the code or written tutorial, then I'll provide the link in the description so you can find all the code and its explanation there. And if you like these video, then please support me at Patreon, so that I can continue making these videos. So let's start. Here I'm having a Flutter expanded widget class, which is getting called by this myApp class. So here inside our expanded class, remove this empty container. And here create a scaffold widget. And inside this scaffold widget, let's create a app bar. And for the title of our app bar, give it a text widget which will state expanded widget. And that's it for the app bar. Now let's create a body for our scaffold. Here create a column widget. Now for its children, let's create 3 text widgets as text1, text2, and text3. And here I've added font size for all these 3 texts. You can ignore that. Now save the program. As you can see, everything is normal. We have our 3 texts in a column. Now wrap your text1 widget inside expanded. And now save the program. Now you can see our text2 and text3 have shifted down here. And text1 have taken all the available space of the screen. Now wrap your text2 widget inside expanded widget. Save the program. Now you can see text3 is at the bottom of the screen. And text1 and text2 has divided the available space in the 2 part. Half is taken by our text1 widget. And another half is taken by text2 widget. And that's all you need to know about the expanded widget. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe with your fellow coders. Thank you. And have a good day.